Welcome to Dalian. This is International Conference Center, shining bright at night. And right in front, a beautiful fountain show begins. Lights dance on water, colors change, the music, the movements, it's like magic in the air. From above, it's even more amazing, a moment to remember in the heart of Dali. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more beautiful scenes from above. Thank you.